example, you may have some data about people going to Ben & Jerry's, what they bought, who they went with, what is the price of the product, the time of the day, and the day of the week. All of this lets you construct a story about people's motivations to buy in Ben & Jerry's. So you do all of this work before you come to class. And in class, you are testing your story with 65 other stories from your fellow classmates. And through data, through persuasion, you're trying to find out what is the story that you think is relevant for most of the segments in the marketplace. And what does this story mean to firms in terms of how they should make their decisions. So that was one of the reasons why the case method to me is very interesting. Beyond the case study, if you think about what Darden represents, it's about doing research that's relevant for practice. That was something that really attracted me. When I started off, I started off like every other academic, doing research and working and mainly focused on the academic community and journal publications. While I still do that, my attraction here was also the chance to work on case studies, talk to interesting people about their everyday challenges, and also build new programs and really have a variety of work that you do rather than maybe lock yourself in the office and just do your research.
I think that's really important because we do have non-degree executive education. You mentioned the executive formats, the MBA, where you really can interact with a lot of different people from a lot of different industries as a faculty member and find things for cases, for topics to study. So I also know one other thing that Darden is well known for is sort of interaction between faculty and students outside of class. So what have you gotten involved with students outside of class?
So three main things. I work a lot on independent studies. What independent studies are basically, you can do this course directly with the faculty and get credit for that. But also that allows me to work on case studies and tech notes. And that was really instrumental actually in developing my book.